Hi there, Mediaket shows you how to change the DNS servers in TP-LINK TD-W8968 modem. Type the following IP and hit Enter key. Type here, username, admin, and default password, admin. And click Login. Click on Advanced Setup menu. Click on DNS submenu. Check Use the following static DNS IP address. Here, we have used the Google DNS servers. You can use other DNS servers that we have listed on the right, and there are more. It's up to you to choose and test. Click Save and Apply button to finish. We have finished. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.